Guys, how can you increase your income and bring in more money without creating a side hustle, without working overtime, or without taking on any part-time job? It's possible. You really don't have to work more to make more money. On this video, I'm going to explain to you 8 proven ways to increase your income without working more. And I want you to stay tuned for number 7, because number 7 is one that a lot of people slip on, but I want you to focus on that one because that one is one where you can definitely make some changes, and it's one of my favorites. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Now, the first proven way that you can increase your income without working more is to monetize whatever hobby that you do. Whatever you do right now that you like, that you do well, that you enjoy, and you do it right now for free, go ahead and try to monetize it. In other words, stop spending all of your time just chilling and doing this thing that you enjoy as a pastime. Go ahead and think about monetizing it, making some money from it. And I'm not saying work another job or make this another job. I'm saying you're already doing it, so why not make some money doing it? Maybe it's something that you enjoy doing, something you love. You know, maybe you bake. Maybe you work on cars. Maybe you take photos and enjoy photography, or you love animals. Maybe you can pet sit for neighbors or whoever lives near you. Look, the whole point of number 1 is to take what you're doing already and turn it into monetization, turn it into money. Start getting paid for what you already love to do. By the way, guys, if you get any value out of this video, do me a favor and smash that like button below. Also, share the video with someone who may need to hear it, and please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. And let me know in the comments below, what is your hobby, your talent, your skills that you probably could monetize if you thought about it? Let me know that in the comments below. Now, let's go to number 2. The second proven way to make more money without working more and maybe even double your income is simply get a higher paying job. Hey, every 6 months, you ought to be updating your resume and going on interviews because you have 6 more months worth of experience, and the market value for your skill set may change and it may increase your pay, but you don't know it because you haven't been out there looking. Maybe your experiences and this extra 6 months, every 6 months that you get, maybe that's worth more money. You should find out. It doesn't take a lot of time. It doesn't take a lot of effort to simply fill out resumes on a computer or on a phone, wherever you are. Fill out some resumes and applications. You're already on the phone anyway, watching YouTube, on Facebook, IG, wherever you may be. You're already using your computer, so use that time to look for other jobs, right? Hanging out at the same job year after year is only helping your employer. If you left your job today, your job would simply backfill your position, right? So just like they're going to go from person to person to person to do your job, you should be trying to look for job to job to job to get paid more money. Now, number 3 is this: simply spend less money. Be more frugal. Being more frugal frees up money for you. The first place to go if you want to raise or increase your income is the expense side of your budget. If you spend less, you have more. If you get more frugal, you're going to end up freeing up more money. And part of spending less money is getting out of debt and paying off debt as soon as you can. When you spend less money on making these payments to debts and creditors, then you're going to have more money in your pocket. But if you have to pay a car payment here, a credit card there, and you're paying all these other debts here and there, guess what, guys? You're losing money every single month. You'll have more if you pay off the debts. So number 3 is spend less money and pay off debts. Number 4, the fourth proven way to increase your income without working more is to simply get organized, guys. Do a budget and stick to a budget. Hey, when you're unorganized with money and everything is all over the place and scattered, that's where the stress and anxiety come in for a lot of people. And the feeling of being out of control and having no power over your money. It's kind of like a sloppy room, right? When you go into a sloppy room, the room looks closed in, everything is all over the place, and as soon as you start to clean up the room, or at least put stuff where it goes and organize the room, what usually happens? You have more room. The room looks bigger, right? Your money is the exact same way. When you begin to organize your money and tell your money what to do and put it where it belongs, right? What happens is you end up having more money. Just like the room looks bigger when it's organized, your money looks bigger and like it's more when it's organized. Trust me, guys, if you do a budget on a regular basis, you're going to find extra money. Now, number 5 is simply this: sell stuff around your house. Hey, All of us have things around our house that we want to get rid of, that we've been thinking about getting rid of, that we've wanted to get rid of for many years, right? We all have things we don't want, things we don't need, things we never use, things we wish we could get rid of, and things that we've been trying to get rid of for a while now, or at least been thinking about. Move that thing out of your house by selling it. Some of us have $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 worth of stuff just sitting around us every day that we don't use and don't need and don't want. And then we also don't have any money. Well, get rid of the stuff that could bring you some more money, right? Sell it or do something with it so you can make some money off of it. Now, number 6 is this. When you go to work, ask for a raise. Hey, if you're in good standing at your job and you work hard at your job and you're valuable at your job, what is there to lose from you asking for an increase in pay? Why not? Go for it. Hey, you'll be surprised at what you can get if you just simply ask, right? If you just have the courage to ask for it, especially if you're deserving of it or you have a good track record of good high performance to back it up. But listen, don't do this if you're not in good standing at work. Don't do this if your performance is poor. Only do this. This one only works if you're a high achiever, high performing person at your job. But hey, your work performance, how you perform on the job, is often one of the strongest arguments for requesting a raise. If you do more than the job usually requires, and you take on additional responsibilities above and beyond what the work calls for, and you're a valuable person, you're a go-to person that has a lot of knowledge, people call on you and go to you to get help with problems and issues, and of course your numbers exceed the quotas, whatever quotas it may be at your job, and you're in the habit of coming early, staying late, helping out, helping your coworkers, right? Then you deserve a raise on the job. So why not ask for one if that's you? Now, I asked you to stick around for number 7 because a lot of people miss out on number 7. A lot of people are sort of slipping on this one. But number 7 is this: check the benefits at your job. A lot of people don't take advantage of the low-hanging fruit at work, the things and benefits that your job offers that you're just not taking advantage of. And a lot of people sometimes just don't even know this stuff exists at their job. Stuff like tuition reimbursement for college or trade school or getting a certification. Sometimes your job will pay you for that and you're not even sure if that's what they do. Or maybe it's some type of child care assistance program that your job offers. Or maybe some type of counseling or some type of stipend for travel, gas money for your car, or even for public transportation. Some jobs will give you a stipend for that, or even for parking, right? Or it could be a health savings account or a flexible savings account, right? Where you put money aside for health care and it's not subject to taxes when you put the money in. Whatever it may be, there's things that your job offers that you're not taking advantage of. Go into HR or pull HR up online if you have to and check out the services that your current employer offers that you may not be taking advantage of that will save you lots and lots of money every single month and put more money back into your pocket. Now, let's go to number 8. The 8th proven way to increase your income without working more is simply change your tax withholdings at your job. In other words, increase your take-home pay by changing the amount of taxes that you pay every single time you get paid throughout the year. Now, this will work in America. If you're not in America, it may not work for you. But if you're in America, you can change your withholdings at your job and stop getting a large tax return at the end of every year. You don't want to have a large tax return, right? You want to get your money throughout the year when you earn your money. Instead of getting $2,400 back in a year, you want that extra $200 a month in your pocket, in your paycheck, right? Big tax returns are not good. Big tax returns just mean that the government is holding on to your money and they're not paying you any interest on that money that they're holding on to. And they're also giving you back the money a year later when the money has lost some value due to inflation. So stop getting the huge tax return. You don't want to owe any taxes at the end of the year, and you don't want to get anything back because that means you got all your money during the year when you earned it. So hey, there you have it, guys. Those are my 8 proven ways to increase your income without working more. And maybe some of these or a combination of these can help double your income if there's really those opportunities out there for you. Hey, smash the like button for me and let me know in the comments below, what is your hobby or the thing that you probably could monetize if you really focused on it? Maybe it's a talent or skill that you have that you could use to make more money. Let me know in the comments below. Hey, the best person who's going to take care of the old you is the young you. Guys, do me a favor. Take good care of yourself and also take good care of other people. Until the next video, peace. Hey guys, I offer one-on-one financial mentoring and coaching. If you're looking to grow your current income by adding multiple streams of income, or you want to maximize the current income that you have and get the most out of your money right now, or simply become a better manager of your money, a better steward over your current finances, I might be a good fit for you. Or if you're looking to get into the real estate game, perhaps buy properties, perhaps even manage the properties that you have right now better, or simply grow a real estate portfolio. I've got 22 years of owning and managing my own real estate, so I can definitely help you in that area as well. You'll find a link to my schedule below. Feel free to reach out to me, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.